Hello everyone, welcome to AK Instrument Education. Myself Naveen, I am the maths mentor, and today's session let us discuss about homogenization which is the one of the topic of pair of straight lines as which carries 7 marks. Among them, one 7 marks comes under theorems and the second problem comes under homogenization, right? So here we have nearly 4 to 5 problems are there. They are the most important questions. Let us discuss now. Okay, try to understand the question. Find the angle between the lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of the curve x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 and the line 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, what is the question? We need to find the angle between the lines. So this is one line and this is the second line joining the origin to the point of intersection. So this is our origin. So this is our curve and this is the line. They are going to intersect at 2 points, point P and point Q. Right? Try to understand the question. So angle between the line, this is line 1 and this is line 2, joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve. So this is the curve which is intersecting the point of intersection of the curve and the line. This is our line. What is the line here? This is our line 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, which is intersecting the curve at 2 distant points, and the curve is x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Right? So actually the given curve is degree of second equation, right? So first let us write the curve x square plus 2xy plus y square 2x into 1 plus 2y into 1 minus 5 into 1 square equal to 0. Actually, when we are solving this homogenization problems, we need to follow certain procedures, right? The first thing is we need to write the given curve. What is the first thing? We need to write the given curve. Given curve is x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x into 1. If you multiply into 1, there is nothing sense. And 2x into 1, again you will get 2x only. Because here degree is x square, 2, whereas here nothing means 1 and 1, 1 plus 1, 2, and this is degree is 2. Right? Homogeneous equation of degree 2. Right? So ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాము 2x into 1 రాస్తున్నాం and then 2y into 1 and then minus 5 into 1 square equal to 0. If you do any manipulation with the 1, nothing will be changed. అసలు ఎందుకు 1 రాస్తున్నాం అనేది మనం నేర్చుకుందాం నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ లో. So the first thing is x square plus 2xy plus y square as it is గా రాసేసుకుందాం and then 2x into 1 and then 2y into 1 and then minus 5 into 1 square equal to 0. ఈ స్టెప్ రాయడం వచ్చినట్లయితే మన టోటల్ సమ్ ఈజీగా క్యాల్కులేషన్ చేయొచ్చు. Once again I am repeating, 2x into 1 రాసుకోవాలి, 2y into 1 and then minus 5 into 1 square equal to 0 రాసుకోవాలి. అది ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రాటజీ, స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 1. Coming to second step, this is the given curve beta, and the second step is what is given the line. So line is 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. That is the given line. Second step, right? Em chedamante, let me put 1 as it is. This plus 3x you transpose minus 3x and minus y you transpose, it will become plus y. What do you mean by 1? 1 is nothing but I can write as y minus 3x. Coming to second step, we need to write, the second step is take out 1 from linear equation. Em cheyali? ఇది లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ బికాజ్ whose degree is 1. ఈ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి మనం ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ 1 ని సెపరేట్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ గివెన్, 4 to 5 problems are very important problems are there. Step number 1, given curve రాయాలి, and then 2g actually curve is the standard form of the curve is x square ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. దీన్నే మనము స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ద కర్వ్ అని అంటాం. టోటల్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ లో మొత్తం ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ ఇదే ఫార్ములా, ఇదే కర్వ్ మీద డిపెండ్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్, సెకండ్ థింగ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్, థర్డ్ థింగ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఏదైతే 2gx వాల్యూ ఉంటుందో దాన్ని 1 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, 2fy వాల్యూ ఉంటుందో దాన్ని 1 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, కాన్స్టెంట్ ని 1 స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 తో రాయాలి. అది ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ అని చెప్తున్నా. సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఏం చేయాలి, టేక్ అవుట్ 1 ఫ్రమ్ ద లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్. లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ లైన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, 3x - y + 1 = 0. దాని నుంచి ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేయాలి, 1 ని సెపరేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అది సెకండ్ స్టెప్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దామంటే ఎక్కడైతే 1 ఉంటుందో in the place of 1 let us substitute y - 3x. that is the third step. Okay, I mean we are homogenizing equation 1 and equation 2. దీని equation 1 కింద మనం కన్సిడర్ చేస్తే, దీని equation 2 కన్సిడర్ చేస్తే, homogenizing equation 1 with equation number 1 and equation number 2. అంటే as the children, x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x into 1 ప్లేస్ లో ఏం రాద్దాం, y - 3x, మళ్ళీ 2y into 1 ప్లేస్ లో y - 3x minus 5 into ఇక్కడ 1 స్క్వేర్ గా రాసుకున్నాం కనుక y - 3x హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. రైట్, ఇది వచ్చేస్తే ఇంకా టోటల్ గా మనం ఈజీగా సమ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. స్టెప్ 1, writing the given curve and we need to make it as 2x as 2x into 1, 2y as 2y into 1 minus 5 into 1 square equal to 0. అది స్టెప్ 1. సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఏం చేయాలి, లైన్ రాసుకోవాలి, దాని నుంచి 1 సెపరేట్ చేయాలి. థర్డ్ స్టెప్ ఏం చేయాలి, ఎక్కడైతే 1 ఉంటుందో ఆ ప్లేస్ లో y - 3x whatever the equation is there that we have to substitute. That's all. Let us do now. x square plus 2xy plus y square, 2x into y, 2xy plus into minus 2 3 the 6x square, 2y into y, 2y square plus into minus 2 3 the 6xy minus 5 into a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 into 3 6xy equal to 0. Right, now x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2xy minus 6x square plus 2y square minus 6xy. now see, minus 5 into y square minus 5y square minus into plus minus 5 9 is 45 minus into minus plus 5 6 is 30xy, that is equal to 0. now let us see first x square terms. x square minus 6x square minus 5x square minus 5 minus 45 minus 50x square, 2xy 4xy minus 6xy minus 2xy plus 30, I mean 28xy, y square plus 2y square 3y square minus 5y square minus 2y square which is equal to 0. Right, so from these three terms I can take minus 2 as common, 2 25 is 2 14 is and then 2 1 is, right. So here minus 2 is multiplying, let us transpose that side, it will become 25x square plus 14xy plus y square equal to 0 by something, it will become 0 only. 25x square plus 14xy plus y square equal to 0 by something 0. So we got into the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, which is in the form of what? ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. As the what is the value of a, children? Here the value of a is 25 and the value of 2h is what? 2h is 14 and the value of b is here nothing means 1, b equal to 1. Okay children, step number 4, we need to convert it into the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So slowly when you are doing the problem you have to be careful. Slowly ఒక్కొక్క స్టెప్ ని చేసుకుంటూ పోతే మనకి ఇట్లా ఫామ్ లో వస్తది. Now actually they are asking to find the angle between the lines. As we have the formula angle between the line equal to, that is cos theta equal to, angle between the line cos theta is equal to a plus b by root over a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square. What is the formula? Cos theta is equal to a plus b by root over a minus b whole square plus 2h square, right? So let us substitute the values now. So cos theta equal to, the value of a is 25 plus 1 divided by root over a minus b. 25 minus 1, 24 square plus the value of 2h is 14, that is 14 square. So 25 plus 1, that is equal to 26 by 24 square 576 plus 14 square 196. So 576 plus 196, 6 plus 6 12, 10 17, 772. So cos theta equal to 26 by root over 772. How can we write as 772? We can write as 4 into 193. See, if I multiply 193 into 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 9 that is 6 plus 1 that is 7. Yes. How can I write as 772? Children, 772 I can write as root over 4 into 193. Again, what do you mean by root 4? Root 4 is nothing but 2 into 193. 2 1 ja, 2 13 ja. So cos theta equal to how much? 13 by root over 193. So theta means cos inverse of 13 by root over 193. Children, once again I am explaining from here. They are asking to find the angle between the lines. What is the formula to find the angle between the lines? That is cos theta equal to a plus b by root over a minus b whole square plus 2h square. A and then the 25 plus b means 1. 25 plus 1 divided by a means 25 minus b means 1. 25 minus 1 24 square plus 2h is nothing but 14. 14 square. 24 square and 576. 14 square 196. So 576 plus 196 772. How can I write as 772? 4 into 193. Root 4 is nothing but 2 into root 193. 2 1 jar 2 13 jar. So cos theta equal to 13 by root over 193. Therefore theta equal to cos inverse of 13 by root 193. So this is our problem number 1. Find the angle between the lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of the curve and the line is. Okay children. So which is the one of the most important problem. Now let us go with the second problem. Now coming to second question. So that the lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of the curve and the line are mutually perpendicular. As we know that mutually perpendicular is nothing but x square coefficient plus y square coefficient must be is equal to 0. Okay, we will see what are the steps we have to follow. Okay, coming to step 1, we need to write the equation of the curve. The curve is 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square. First 3 terms as it is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus this is 2gx term, right? So we have to write 2x into 1. This is 2fy term, we have to write minus 4y into 1. This is constant term c minus 8 into 1 square equal to 0. This is our equation number 1. As I told you, first thing is given equation of curve ni 2gx and 2x into 1, 2f into 1 minus c into 1 square equal to 0. That is step 1. Coming to second step. What is the given line? Given line is 3x minus y equal to 2. What to do? We need to take out 1 from the linear equation. How to do? In order to get 1, let us divide by 2 on both sides. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. Therefore, 3x minus y by 2 equal to 1 divided by 1, which is equal to 1. So, this is our equation number 2. Now, what to do? Wherever we have 1, in the place of 1, we have to substitute 3x minus y by 2. These 2 steps చాలా important. First step ni given curve రాసుకోవాలి, and the second step given linear equation నుంచి 1 ని మనము ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కడైతే 1 రాసామో ఆ ప్లేస్ లో ఆ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసేస్తే మనకి ఆన్సర్ అనేది ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 2x into 1 is nothing but what? 3x minus y by 2 minus 4y into 1 is nothing but what? 3x minus y by 2 minus 8 into 3x minus y by 2 whole square equal to 0. Okay na? One place lo em chesamu 3x minus y by 2 ni substitute chesam manam ante. Okay, now 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square, let me cancel 2 to x into 3x square plus into minus minus x into y xy. Again 2 table 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, minus into plus minus 2 3 ja, 6 x into y xy minus into minus plus 2y into y 2y square minus 8 into square belongs to numerator. I can write as 3x minus y whole square divided by also belongs to denominator 2 square 4 equal to 0. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. Okay, so 7x square plus 3x square 10x square minus 4xy minus 5xy minus 11xy 8y square plus 2y square 10y square. Then we have one more term minus 2 into a minus b whole square. So 3x minus y whole square nothing but a square, 3x square is nothing but 9x square plus b square is nothing but y square minus 2 into 3x into y 6xy, that is equal to 0. So 10x square minus 11xy plus 10y square 2 9 ja 18 minus 2 into y square 2y square minus into minus plus 2 6 are 12 xy, that is equal to 0. Children, I understanding? We multiply 2 9 ja minus 2 into y square minus into minus plus 2 6 are 12. Again let us add 10 minus 18 minus 8x square minus 11 plus 12, that is 1xy 10y square minus 2y square, that is 8y square equal to 0. As they are asking, show that the given curve and the line are mutually perpendicular. What is the meaning of mutually perpendicular? Mutually perpendicular is nothing but x square coefficient here minus 8, y square coefficient here plus 8. Ante here coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square must be equal to ఎంత రావాలి 0 రావాలి. So x square coefficient ఇక్కడ we got minus 8 and y square coefficient we got plus 8. So minus 8 plus 8 how much? 0. So that the given lines are the pair of lines are mutually perpendicular. So this is very easy question. The thing is only we have to write the given equation of the curve and then we need to write the given line. We need to take out 1 from the linear equation and then we have to substitute in the given equation of curve, so that you will get the answer. Okay, which is also one of the important problem. Okay, now next let us discuss one more problem based on the mutually perpendicular only. Now coming to problem number 3, the same method problem. Then the thing is only the given curve and the given line are different. So that the lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of the curve x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0 and the line x minus y minus root 2 equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular. Mutually perpendicular. Right? So first what to do? We have to write the given equation of curve x square minus xy plus y square plus this 3x we will write as 3x into 1 and this 3y we will write as 3y into 1 minus 2 into 1 square equal to 0. Right? And the given line is x minus y minus root 2 you transpose, it will become plus root 2. To take out 1 from the equation, let us divide it by root 2 equal to root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 cancel. What we will get? We will get x minus y by root 2 equal to 1. Okay children, did you understand? We divided by root 2 on both sides. Root 2 become cancel. We got x minus y by root 2 equal to 1. Wherever we have 1, in that place we have to substitute x minus y by root 2. Okay? X square minus xy plus y square 3x into x minus y by root 2. 3y into x minus y by root 2 minus 2 into x minus y by root 2 whole square equal to 0. Okay children. Now x square minus xy plus y square 3x into x 3x square minus 3x into y 3xy by root 2 plus 3y into x 3xy minus 3y into y 3y square divided by root 2. Here minus 2 into x minus y whole square, as this square belongs to numerator as well as to the denominator. So imagine the square root cancel, you will get by 2 equal to 0. So 2 gets cancelled. Okay. So x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x square minus 3xy by root 2 plus 3xy minus 3y square divided by root 2 minus a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a minus x minus y whole square? X square plus y square minus 2xy, right? Equal to 0. If you observe children, here we have root 2, here nothing means 1, nothing means 1, nothing means 1. Similarly here also nothing means 1, nothing means 1, nothing means 1. So actually what is the LCM? LCM is root 2 into x square, root 2x square minus root 2 into xy, root 2xy plus root 2 into y square, root 2y square. Because we have to multiply into root 2 into root 2, into root 2 into root 2, into root 2 into root 2. Already root 2 we have, directly we need to write its numerator 3x square minus 3xy. Here also we have root 2, directly we have to write its numerator 3xy minus 3y square. But here we have to multiply into root 2 into x square, because here we have minus root 2 x square, again root 2 into y square, minus root 2 y square, minus into minus plus 2 root 2 xy equal to 0. Here root 2 cross multiplication, root 2 into 0 becomes 0. Okay. See here anything will be getting cancelled, minus 3xy plus 3xy cancel, right? Plus root 2x square minus root 2x square cancel, plus root 2y square minus root 2y square cancel. So we have 3x square and then this is minus root 2xy and this is plus 2 root xy. From 2 root 2xy, if you subtract 1 root 2xy, you will get only 1 root 2xy minus 3y square equal to 0 into root 2, 0. So what we got, children? We got ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Actually they are asking to prove that they are mutually perpendicular. What is the meaning of mutually perpendicular? Mutually perpendicular is nothing but x square coefficient plus y square coefficient must be equal to 0. As x square coefficient 3 plus y square coefficient minus 3. 3 plus into minus minus 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 which is equal to 0. Therefore, the pair of lines are what? Mutually perpendicular. Children, you remember mutually perpendiculars are nothing but x square coefficient plus y square coefficient must be equal to 0. Right? Children, now coming to question number 4, which is the most important question. The many years they were asking find the value of k if the line joining the origin to the point of intersection of the curve 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x I can write as into 1 minus y into 1 minus 1 into 1 square equal to 0. That is equation number 1. And what is the given line? Here the given line is 2x plus y equal to k. We have to take out 1 from the linear equation. To get that, we have to divide it by k on both sides, k by k. As k gets cancelled, you will get 2x plus y by k equal to 1. Now wherever we have 1, in the place of 1, we have to substitute 2x plus y by k. So 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x into, in the place of 1, 2x plus y by k minus y into, in the place of 1, 2x plus y by k minus 1 into, in the place of 1, 2x plus y by k whole square equal to 0. Right? Now 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square 2x into 2x 4x square 2x into y 2xy by k. Again minus 2x into y 2xy minus into plus minus y square by k minus 1 into, which is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square 4x square plus b square y square plus 4xy divided by k square equal to 0. Because square belongs to numerator, that is 2x plus y, as well as to the denominator k. That's why k square here. Now if you observe here nothing means 1, nothing means 1, nothing means 1. So LCM will become k square. Already we have equal to 0. So here nothing means into k square. So it will become 2x square k square minus 2xy k square plus 3y square k square. Here already 1 k we have. So to get k square we should multiply into k and as well as into k. 4x square into k, 4x square k plus 2xy into k, 2xy k. Again, in order to get k square, again we have to multiply into k as well as into k. Minus 2xy k minus y square k. Now already we have k square only, minus 4x square minus y square minus 4xy. Right? Check it whether any terms will we can cancel anything here. So here 2x square k square minus 2xy k square 3y square k square. So first let us see what are the x square terms. Here we have 2xy k, here minus 2xy k. Let us cancel. That's all. So what you do? First you take x square common. If I take x square common, here I have 2k square, and then here I have 4k, and then I have here minus 4 plus, let me take y square common. If I take y square common here, I have 3k square, and then I have here minus k, and then here I have minus 1 plus 2hxy. So let us take 2xy common. If I take 2xy as common, what I will get here? Minus k square, and then that's all. I don't have here 2xy I took common. I have minus 2, which is equal to 0. Right? Again, it is in the form of ax square plus by square plus 2hxy equal to 0. Right? So here k square into 0 will become 0 only. Right? Now, actually they said to find the value of k, they are mutually perpendicular. Already they said they are mutually perpendicular. We have to find the value of k. I mean x square coefficient plus y square coefficient must be equal to 0. What is x square coefficient here? 2k square plus 4k minus 4 plus 3k square minus k minus 1 must be equal to 0. Right? Somewhere we got wrong, you see. 2k x square, if I take common, 2k square plus 2k, 2xy, 2x square k square, 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square, 2x into x plus 2y. So sorry children, we copied the question only wrong. Okay, let it be. Here the question is actually x plus 2y equal to k. We copied the question wrong. So make it as x plus 2y equal to k. X plus 2y equal to k. I mean, here you will get x plus 2y, here you will get x plus 2y, here you will get x plus 2y. Right? So this will become 2x square, and this will become 4xy, this will become minus xy, this will become minus 2y square, and this will become x square plus 4y square plus 4xy. Right? Now this will become 2x square k plus 4xy k minus xy k minus 2y square k minus x square minus 4y square minus 4xy. Right? Now if I take x square as common, 2k square plus 2k minus 1. Now if I take y square as common, 3k square minus 2k minus 4. And then if I take, we can't cancel 4xy minus xyk, 3xyk. So if I take, what is that? If I take xy as common, let us take xy as common. If I take xy as common, I will get minus 2k square, and then here 4k, and then here minus k, and then here minus 4 must be equal to 0. Right? The thing is, we wrote question wrong. Now we will get the correct answer. So here x square coefficient is 2k square plus 2k minus 1, and y square coefficient is 3k square minus 2k minus 4 equal to 0. Okay children, so 2k square plus 3k square, 5k square, 2k plus 2k minus 2k cancel, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, that is equal to 0. Minus 5 if you transpose, it will become plus 5. Here 5 is multiplying, transpose, it will become 5 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. So therefore k square equal to 1, so k equal to plus or minus 1. So what is the value of k? The value of k is plus or minus 1. Children, the small mistake what we did here, we copied question wrong. Actually question is, the line is x plus 2y equal to k. Same procedure children, divided by k, divided by k. So x plus 2y by k equal to k by k 1. So what to do? In place of 1, we have to substitute x plus 2y by k. X plus 2y by k, x plus 2y by k, x plus 2y by k whole square. Now same procedure, 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 2y, 4xy. Minus y into x minus xy, minus into plus minus y into 2y, 2y square. Minus x square, minus x plus 2y whole square. X square plus 2y whole square means 4y square plus 2 into x into 2y, 4xy. LCM we took common, remaining procedure everything is same. Okay children, don't confuse, and this is the most important question. Nowadays every year they are asking this question only. So children, whatever we did, these 4 questions, all questions carries, they all are equal sums, importance wise. So try to practice all the 4 questions twice or thrice, so that only you can attempt in your examination. Because when we are writing the answers, you will not get without practicing. Practice cheste gaani mana paper pay pen anedi assal move avadu. Compulsory man practice chestane man edaina cheyagalugutam. Okay children, so thank you. Don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends, so that it will be very useful for them as well as, right? Thank you.